Hello everyone, teacher Jonas here, and today we're gonna learn some more science. Last class we learned about air. So let's review what we learned last class. We learned that air is a mixture of many gases. For example, we have 78% of air made of nitrogen and 21% made of oxygen. And the last 1% are other gases like argon, like carbon dioxide, like so many other gases. So, moving air is wind. See, when air moves from my mouth to outside, it's wind. All right, so moving air is wind. Now let's talk about properties of air. As I told you, air has weight. You can do this experiment at home and you will see that air, just like every other thing, has weight. Maybe it's not much, but it does have weight. You can do this experiment. You can put two balloons that have air inside, exactly the same amount. And then you make one of them empty. So when you let the air out of one of them and it becomes empty, you can see it goes to the side with the balloon with air inside, like this one. See, it becomes like this. So air has weight. Repeat after me. Air has weight. Okay. Property number 2. Air takes up space. We already did a very cool experiment. Remember the glass and put it in the water and the tissue inside the glass doesn't get wet? That was because air takes up space. Look at here. The balloon, when it's empty, it's small. When you put some air in it, it becomes bigger because the air inside takes space. And it's the same with your mouth. Look at here. When you breathe, see, my chest becomes big because there is air inside my lungs. Or when I do, see, I have air in my mouth. So my mouth becomes, you can try it too. Okay, so air takes up space. Number 3, air is invisible. It means you cannot see air. Okay, so air is invisible. Now, the new topic for today is the importance of air. Now, what is that? Importance means why it is important. For example, why water is important, because I have to drink water when I'm thirsty. Okay, so water is important. Now, the question is why air is important. So, we're going to learn the importance of air. So, listen to this. All living things need air. Living things, humans, animals, from the smallest one like ant to the biggest one like, I don't know, blue whale. We all need air. Even plants need air. So all living things need air to live. Okay, so if there is no air, all living things will die. So it's very important for us to have air. Okay, so humans and animals, humans like me and you, and animals like bird, cat, dog, lion, tiger, ant, we all need oxygen to breathe. Now, what is breathe? Let me show you. This is called breathing. Can you breathe with me? Everyone, do exactly same as me. Take it in from your nose and out from your mouth. This is called breathing. When we breathe in oxygen. So now I put oxygen in, and what I do, I breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, or CO2. So, breathe in oxygen, breathe out carbon dioxide. In science, when you breathe in, you say you inhale. Inhale. You inhale what? Oxygen. And then when you breathe out, we call it exhale. Exhale. Now, you exhale what? Carbon dioxide, or CO2. So, we inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. Everyone, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. So, when we inhale what? We inhale oxygen. When we exhale what? Carbon dioxide. So this little video shows it's called breathing. So breathing has two parts. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so that is what we call breathing. So humans and animals breathe in or inhale oxygen, O2, and breathe out or exhale carbon dioxide, CO2. But guys, we talk about humans and animals. What about plants?
Yes, plants breathe just like us. Now, they usually do this a lot at night. At night, they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide just like us. In the daytime, it's a different story. In the daytime, plants take away carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. That's amazing. This is called photosynthesis. This is something that plants do. So, in the daytime, plants take away carbon dioxide and give us oxygen by doing photosynthesis. Again, this is why plants are so important to us. Wow! They're amazing, right? They give us oxygen. Even though at night they breathe in oxygen, in the daytime they give us oxygen.
Okay, there is one word you should understand and remember, okay? And it is respiration. Repeat after me. Respiration. 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 So, say it with me. Respiration. Respiration. Now, what is respiration? When you breathe, you get energy. So, when you get energy from breathing, we call it respiration. Humans, animals, plants, we all have respiration because we breathe, right? But it's different. Humans and animals, we inhale oxygen to do respiration. But plants, they breathe in carbon dioxide to do respiration. Now, the process of inhale, exhale, we make energy, right? So we call it respiration. Repeat after me. Respiration. Great job. Now, guys, respiration happens inside your body, okay? It doesn't happen in your nose. It doesn't happen in your mouth. No. It happens inside your body that you get energy. When you oxygen, carbon dioxide, now you have energy. So this is called respiration. Okay, now let's talk about the air covering the earth. This is earth, this is the air covering the earth. You see, let's zoom in here. Zoom. This is called atmosphere. 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 Now what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the air all around us, covering Earth, the planet we live in. Now, atmosphere is very important because, look at here, because of atmosphere, Earth doesn't get too hot like this one or too cold like this one. It is because of atmosphere. So, if we have no atmosphere, we will be either too hot or too cold. So atmosphere controls the temperature so it doesn't get too hot or too cold. So air is very important, guys, because as I told you, atmosphere is air. So it helps Earth stay in a good temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Next, atmosphere protects Earth from the sun's UV radiation. You see, bzzz, you see all this stuff? This is, you see, bzzz, that's called UV radiation. The sun is so powerful, it gives something out. It's called UV radiation. You cannot see it. Now, why is it bad? It makes you have cancer. It's bad for your skin. Now, atmosphere protects us from UV radiation. So UV radiation will not hit you. It will hit atmosphere. So instead of hitting you, it hits the atmosphere. It doesn't hit you. So atmosphere is very important. Also, atmosphere protects us from meteoroids. Now, teacher, what is meteoroid? Meteoroids are big rocks from space, like this one. When they hit atmosphere, they burn. And you see, do you see any meteoroids hit the earth? No, it's because of atmosphere. So atmosphere is like a shield. Poof, poof. UV radiation. Poof, poof. Nothing happens to us. Meteoroid. Zoof. Nothing. Nothing hits us because of atmosphere. So if we have no atmosphere, if we have no air around us, so the sun UV radiation will hit you. Your skin will burn. You will get cancer. And big meteoroids, it will hit Earth. So atmosphere or air is very important. So guys, living things can live because of air. So no air, we cannot live. Also, the air around the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere protects Earth from sun's UV radiation and also meteoroids, right? And it also keeps it from getting too hot or too cold. So, air is very important to us, guys, because right now, I'm breathing, you're breathing, all those birds and animals outside are breathing, plants are breathing, and it's all because of air. We are protected from the sun's UV radiation because of atmosphere. We also don't feel too hot or too cold because of atmosphere. Also, we don't get hit by big meteoroids because of atmosphere, because of air. So air is very important to us. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, if you don't understand anything, please tell me. Please message me, and I will explain whatever it is that you don't understand. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye, everyone. See you.